model, 69-plate VAUXHALL Vivaro L2 diesel 2900 1.5d 100PS Sportive H1 van spares OR repairs trade margin bargain open mouth smile. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 114,702. MOT, 8 November 2024. Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RUCD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine turns and popping from intake will need repairing or replacing. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, cruise control, electric windows, parking sensors, air con, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more.